Alright, today we're taking a look at my Herbie the Love Bug. This is the Thunderjet Ultra G Deluxe Pick Kit, a 1965 Volkswagen Beetle by Auto World. So whenever I just recently picked this pick kit up, my local Hobby Lobby finally had some new kits in, and I mean, you have to build a love bug. So anyway, didn't do any major modification to this one other than some grease and oil, and I trued the tires on it, but other than that, she's pretty much how she comes. So anyway, we'll get her on the track here and see how she runs. Okay, here we go, the return of Herbie the Love Bug. Okay, I think she runs great. I love these little Thunderjet cars. They're great to customize. The only thing I did on this one was I did adjust the magnet here just a little bit. I dropped it down just a hair. And the way I do these is, since they have the magnets glued in, is I just drill a little hole up here at the side, drill it straight in right above the magnet, and then you can just take you something sharp and just push that magnet right out and adjust it where you want it. So that way you don't have to worry about trying to get the motor magnet out of there. In order to adjust it, you can just pop the body off, put you something sharp down in that hole, and put it where you want it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.